Welcome to the 2021 Modern Day Marine and the Camel Expeditionary video booth. We were looking forward to meeting with you in person at one of the upcoming trade shows, maybe even getting some great selfies. But since you aren't here, I invited a few of my friends to join us. Come on inside. Now we'll come back to my pals here in a minute, but as excited as we are about getting together with you, we've had to do another version of the pandemic pivot once the expo was canceled and figure out really fast how to meet you remotely. But fortunately, really fast is what we really do well here at Camel. For over a century, we have designed and developed rapid deployment systems, which has made us one of the nation's leading military tent providers. At Camel, we are focused on helping procurement and purchasing officials meet the evolving logistic needs for mobility as it transitions from fixed infrastructure to expeditionary bases.
We outfit our customers with pivotal expeditionary equipment that enables them to set up and strike high-quality, soft-sided shelters as fast as humanly possible. From pitching a 4-person crew tent to erecting a multi-wing complex and even an entire base camp, meeting RDS needs is our long-standing mission at Camel. We've been developing and outfitting the United States military with high-caliber tent products since 1919.
We're standing, well, I'm standing, in the hub, the very control center. Let me show you around the booth and tell you a little bit more about the company. Smile.
Founded in 1919 by a World War I veteran, Camel started out producing civilian canvas tarps and truck covers made from surplus Army tents. Camel currently handles 45% of the Armed Forces tent market. We have designed and manufactured 750,000 military tents and 50,000 chemical protective apparel items. Today, Camel is the nation's longest continuous producer of military tents, and is all made in the USA in the small town of Pioneer in the East Tennessee foothills.
Now, does Camel just make tents? Nope. We make systems.
Our RDS accessories include, but are not limited to, extreme weather liners, light systems, map boards, power distribution boxes, tent frame and pole support systems, and 2 new exciting products: shower units and single-stall restrooms. So what do all those facts mean to me? Our durable rapid deployment systems are engineered for maximum flexibility with a uniform connection system made to expand an existing shelter. Camel Expeditionary Systems allow you to custom build new structures to your exact configuration, such as a medical facility, an LME that houses tanks, or an entire base camp. I'd like to stop and interject an historical Camel Expeditionary fun fact. In the early 2000s, Camel actually co-developed the LME, Light Maintenance Enclosure, with the U.S. Army Engineering Group. Other manufacturers can produce it, but Camel remains the sole producer since it was developed. We often enjoy sharing a trade show space with our partners. One of our fabric partners is Snyder Manufacturing. Snyder is an American manufacturer of high-performance laminated fabrics, coated mesh, and extruded films. Camel RDS are developed with the amenities that make living and working in an RDS more comfortable, from HVAC-ready ductwork to extreme weather liners. We partner with the best in the HVAC industry, like ClimaShield, who is the world leader in continuous filament insulation and trusted supplier of U.S. Armed Forces for 30 years. ClimaShield is another great made-in-the-USA military vendor headquartered in East Tennessee. If I have a different brand of tent, or an older model of Camel tent, can I still expand the structure or add some of these accessories? Not a problem. Our RDS accessories are compatible with previously manufactured Camel models as well as tents by other brands. Our goal is to make things easier on your purchasing options.
Is your tent market only for the U.S. military? Well, along with the military personnel of this country, we proudly serve our country's medical professionals, law enforcement officers, and disaster relief officials by providing rapid deployment systems.
The reality is that what Camel Expeditionary truly builds is solutions. When you contact us, you immediately have an experienced partner who will help you choose the very best solutions for your specific needs, budget, and timetable.
And we appreciate your visit to our booth today. The entire Camel team is geared up to meet you in person or on Zoom, whatever works for you, to explore how we can resolve your RDS challenges.
It is our greatest honor to serve those who served since 1919. We know how you're made: bold, fearless, adaptable.
You know what I think? I think we are just made for each other. Now, before we leave, I want to introduce you to our marketing and branding manager, Jeanette.
Hi, thanks, Jack. We have some fun swag to give away. Drop your info in the giveaway form. We look forward to seeing you soon.